I'm Sarah.
I'm Ariana.
Go.
Hi, my name is Joey.
Hi, I'm Ariana. I like really blueberry seeds, and it's the first time I tried them. I'm Angelo. Here's my puppy. My name is Stephanie.
My name is Lauren.
This is Purple Girl.
My name is Masanko and I made a dolphin, and the noise it makes is
My name is Annika, and this is my puppet.
Once upon a time, there was a queen and a king, and they lived in a castle. It was a haunted castle. It was haunted by 6 ghosts. The queen said,
What is that horrible noise?
I don't know. Maybe it's ghosts.
so they called for
Send in the ghost trapper! Thank you, ghost trapper!
You're welcome.
Thank you, ghost trapper! The end! Oh, enjoy the show.
Once upon a time, there was a princess. She had a pet cat.
Meow. Meow.
The princess and the cat were both sad.
How about the bird? The bird is the princess.
And then her mom came in to find out what was wrong with the princess. And the princess said,
I lost my friend Masango.
she lost her friend Masongo. So the mother and the princess thought that they should send the bird out over the kingdom and find Masongo. So they sent the bird
We have a bird.
all over the kingdom. He didn't see Masongo anywhere, so he came back to the princess. And said to her that he couldn't find Masongo and he was sorry. So she sent the butterflies, because sometimes the butterflies could go in the lower spots and look for Masongo. And they fluttered and fluttered all over the kingdom, lower and lower, lower and lower. And they didn't find Masongo either. So they came back to the princess, and they said, we didn't find Masongo anywhere either, but we did see something sneaky going on by the dragon's cave. And so the princess decided to take a walk with her friend Amina. Well, she had to walk first to her house, so the princess started out on her journey, walking to get her friend Amina.
I wonder how much more miles it'll be until I can find Amina's house. Nope, it's not over here. Not over there. Not up here. Not down here. Where's Amina's house
And she finally got to Amina's house.
Amina,
And they went walking to the cave. But right by the cave, before they got to the cave, they decided to take a nap. And a ghost came and haunted them.
No, here's my thing.
Woo! And he woke the girls up, and they were really scared. The ghost said, "I'm a friendly ghost, but you must... I know where Masongo is, I think. He might be in the cave. Go look at the cave." So the ghost left, and the girls went to the cave.
Where is it? Oh, this is the cave, friend.
And at the mouth of the cave, they met the mummy.
The mummy. Want to say something?
But the mummy was invisible. And the mummy said, "Go into the cave and look for the dragon. He has Masongo captive." And so they went into the cave and found the mighty dragon. And then the fire-breathing dragon breathed fire on them. Right after he burped, he spit out Masongo. Boom. And they all went home. They all went home, ran away from the dragon, and went back to the mom. The mom welcomed them and gave them cookies, and they lived happily ever after.
At the very end, the zombie gets eaten by the dragon.
What? We're done.
Snow, snowy, snow, snow, smiley faces, smiley, smile, smile, smiley boo.